Okay, so just starting again, what do we do with the overflowing water? So there is a sensor and water is cut off and the level is maintained with the pump. And when we are cleaning the what you call cleaned water with smoke and all, that is treated with your this bilge gray water is put in your sewage treatment system, and then it is treated and discharged. Then next question is about baffle stones. So yes, baffle stones are like the stones which you find near the sand beach, and they absorb your 90% of sulfur oxides. Same for your IMO sulfur cap. This thing, this wherever the fuel is required for less sulfur, in we are installing scrubbers to reduce the sulfur emission. So sulfur is absorbed in those scrubbers with this baffle stones only. Where the drained water will get collected. Normally you have a pipe coming out, so you can put anywhere, wherever, as long as much as you want, or it will go to the waste oil tank or gray water discharge connection. Any additive used in water to reduce the acid formation. Acid formation, and how is the impure water after cleaning and cooling gases stored and pumped out? That's we did. Yeah, pH test is done sometimes to check the, like, if it is less than 7 or not. Additives, I don't think we add any additives for that. We add antifreeze so that the water is not freezing, that is glycol and all. How water level is maintained through the pump and alarms and level sensors. How much water level should be there in the scrubber? That is depending on the designs. There is a level. It's not nothing fixed about that because it's not dealing with the pressure. Then, do we replace the water present in deck water seal after some time? Deck water seal. Yes, we do regular maintenance, and that time we change. We keep, there is an inspection glass. We inspect if there is a lot of soot or this chances of fire or anything is there. Then we replace the water after cleaning. Checks and maintenance in deck seal. That is a separate topic we'll do when we are doing deck seals. There are three types, and what are the checks and maintenance working properly? Because different types of deck seals will have different checks and maintenance. How much is a high pressure setting? High pressure setting of what? Pressure PV breaker is the highest pressure setting of 2500 mm of water gauge, and PV walls will generally have what you call 1200, 1400 as per the design of the tank and all. So still, if you want more, in my channel there is a video regarding PV wall questions, doubts. Here you can see, or later on you can ask. I will send you the example of pressure settings. How much is high pressure setting? How much water level should the water level there in scrubber? In case IG system fails during discharge, what we have to do? First thing is you have to stop discharging, because if you continue discharge, vacuum will create in the tank. And then you inform engine room and find, close the shut off the line and all, maintain everything, and then find out the reason and try to restore the IG. Once you restore the IG, temperature pressure is maintained, then slowly you can start discharging, and in between you have to inform everyone, shore and ship staff, everyone, so that everyone is prepared and they know what is going on. We can consider flue gas of boiler also as an inert gas. Yes, of course, that is the only gas coming. Then why inert gas generator is there? That is a separate video link which I have shared. You can see. it's totally explaining why we need IgG, then nitrogen generator, and the next link which I have sent, and what is the use, how it operates. Basically, the purity keeps changing. So more pure cargo, we need more pure and better system. Is there any difference between IG and IgG? Same question. Yes, IG is system is from the boiler flue gas, and IgG is from air, is a separate system where boiler gas is not used. Here, boiler gas is just reused. There, you have fresh air which is converted into inert gas, so it's more pure. Why won't we use main engine or generator exhaust as IG? Generator is small; it does not generate that much exhaust. And boiler, yes, boiler, main engine exhaust is only sometimes going in the boiler. That is the flue gas. In it's that flue gas is coming from the main engine exhaust going into the boiler and getting burnt. That's why it's not getting burnt fully, because they are using same air for burning with the fuel air, and spark is introduced. So that's why it is not that much pure. Which type of valves are fitted on the discharge side of IG fan blowers? It's non-return valves, maybe. It, different designs will have different types of valves. What is the function of deck isolating valve? It's also one non-return valve, so that IG should not come back, and in case IG is not functioning, so in deck and engine room are isolated, so no IG is going back, or hydrocarbon or flammable vapors are not going into the engine room, and there's no explosion. Like recently, you see there is one case of New Diamond Express. Yeah, fire was there in the boiler, so boiler fire should not take place. That's why we have deck isolating valve. What are the alarms? It's a non-return valve, but still it has to be there. What are the alarms that come in the IG system, and how to fill water in the taxi? Water is filling automatically with the sensors, and the alarms, there is the video which I have sent you. You can see that all the list of alarms and where all they are fitted. Actually, everything is shown in that, in the explanation of IG system. Then, in case IG fails, whom should we inform first? If you are duty officer, you should inform chief officer first, and then they'll inform the engine room and the port, and we will reduce and stop the discharging if it's going for